That's a lot.
Yan yan nakatawa yan ano pakalaki yan. Oh!
I thought it would stop.
We're so much all over the sky. Okay, so after seeing all those fireworks,
You couldn't see. I couldn't see.
there, you're there too.
I'm too short.
So this is my cousin.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Kale. I'm from Japan.
You know, I'm from the United States.
Of course.
Of course, yes. You can hear from my accent. And-
Isang ano dahil sa anday? Yung blue?
Because you're too tall. And
No. So my thoughts on the fireworks here in Japan. America needs to step it up. Oh my goodness.
the most spectacular one.
'Cause it's so, like, I can show, like as you saw in the videos, there's like, most of them are coming out from, like, you know, the water there, and then boom, 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 there's a whole bunch going on. Unlike, you know, we only get fireworks in like 4th of July, and that's about it. And then, like, you know, it doesn't last as long. This lasted 2 hours. Unlike, you know, in the United States, it lasts for like up to like 30 minutes. And then, what about New Year's? Does New Year's have like a lot of fireworks too? In Japan? No. Oh, in America, yeah. We have fireworks there too.
We only have fireworks during summer.
It's during the summer.
Yeah.
So it's like once a year.
Once a year, but it's a very extravagant one. And very spectacular.
I guess America can even it up because, you know.
Can
they
even
have-
enough.
They have English. They have about. There's only about two events where, you know, fireworks are present: New Year's and 4th of July. But like, it's not as spectacular as what I saw tonight. And I hope that, like, people who are viewing this, they can experience Japan during this time in the summer, because I never saw anything like that. Okay, besides fireworks, I didn't see that many fireworks in 2 hours straight. That didn't sound right. Oh well.
Okay. So see you next time.
Alright, so while I'm walking back to the station, please comment below on your thoughts of the fireworks, and tell me how you think about them. Okay, bye.